Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is the Apple iPhone Pro Max case. They have different varieties of color that's available. So let's go and then unbox this. As you see, I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max over here. Here's a product description right here, ZVE then. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'll give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. It comes with this sleeve. And then this one's made in China. It's a hard cardboard box. So this one's the one with the kickstand. They have this one and a couple of the style for me to choose from, so on the back end, this one is a polycarbonate PC plastic, unbreakable. And then on the side, it is a TPU rubber silicone. Got the protective button right there, power button. And then there's your volume up and down rocker. Your microphone, your speaker grill, and then your lighting charging port. Okay, and then this is what's it look like. Oh, and then this one allow you to rotate 360 degrees. So you can use it as a kickstand. Only for landscape. Or you can use this as a ring, so your phone won't slip off. You could also use it as a landscape mode. You got this rubber bumper car. Anyway, I'll be including the link that's going to show in the description, so you guys could check out this. So yeah, be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.